Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your numeracy class. In today's class, we will be starting with a new topic that is very interesting. And through that, you will come to know about how things were in the past time and how it has changed now, right? Okay, tell me what was the topic we discussed in yesterday's class? Yes, who is going to tell me? Come on, raise your hands. Okay, let's listen to Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed, what was the topic? We discussed the money, right? And I showed you different coins and different notes that we have, right? Different bank notes that we have in Pakistan. So who is going to tell me how many coins do we have? Yes, a total of five. Very well done. And how many notes do we have? A total of seven. Very well done. Excellent. Okay, so can you tell me the coins we have? How many? Coin of 1 rupee, coin of 2 rupees, 5, 10, and 20 rupees coin, right? Okay. And what if we talk about the notes? We have 10 rupees notes, 20, then 50, then 100 rupees note. Excellent. Then 500. After that, 1000. Then at last, 5000, right? Okay. So 5000 is the biggest one we have so far, right? Okay. So how many of you have I ask you to make a sketch of one of it, right? How many of you have done that? Show it to me one by one. Excellent work. Very well done. Okay, so the interesting topic that we will be discussing in today's class is what is barter system, okay? So tell me how many of you are familiar with this? What is barter system? Yes. Have you ever heard this term before? No? Okay, fine. Okay, tell me, have this ever happened that you went to the shopping mall with your parents? Let's say you and your siblings went to the mall with your mother for the grocery, right? And you bought two packets of Lays from there, and your brother bought two chocolates from there, right? But when you reached home, you are feeling like you want to eat the chocolate too, right? But you have only Lays, and you asked your sister that please take one Lays from me and give one chocolate to me. Have you exchanged any such thing? Let's say you have two apples and you go to the school and your friend has bought two oranges in the lunch, and you ask your friend that take one apple from me and give one orange to me. Have this ever happened? Yes, any type of exchange. This is not necessary that just in exchange in the form of food. You can do this. Let's say you have two pencils and your friend have two erasers. So you say that take one pencil and give me one eraser, right? You have two storybooks and you want to, and your brother have two color boxes, color pencil boxes, and you ask your brother to take one storybook and give me the color box. Have this ever happened? Okay, okay, good. So you have exchanged things, right? Okay, tell this to me one by one. One by one. Okay. Yes, Ahmed. What do you have exchanged with your cousin? Okay. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Elise. Have you ever exchanged anything with anyone? What was that? Wow, the dolls. Very well done. Okay. Yes, Abdullah. Have you exchanged anything? The fruits with your sister. Very well done. Okay. So see, you guys know that what is exchanging of things, right? Now, the barter system is that in old times, right? In old times, I told you in yesterday's class that in old time there were no notes, there were no banknotes, right? People rely more on coins only, right? But still, people they were not wealthy, they do not have coins. So, what they do in order to exchange, in order to, sorry, get the goods and items, they exchange one with the other one, right? So, and this is known as barter system, exchanging your items and goods with the other one. Let's say a person have 50 chickens and the second one have two goats. Now this person wants that I also have a goat, right? He wants a goat for him as well. And this one wants chickens. So this person, the first person, it will give 25 chickens to this one, and he will give in return one goat. See, this one wants goat, he has get the boat, and this one want the chickens, so he has the chickens. This is known as exchange, and the term that we use for this system is barter system. Barter system is basically the means of exchange among the people in the old time, because they don't have money, they were not wealthy enough. So in order to live the life, in order to have the things they want or they need, they exchange items and goods among each other. Got it? This is known as barter system. Very well done. Now I'm going to share the screen with you. I'll be showing you different pictures of it, that how it happened. Okay, look at this one. See over here, this person, he has two carts of apples, and this one have two chickens, right? Now he will give one cart of apple to him, and what he will do, he will give, yes, in return to that, he will give one chicken to him. Now he has the chickens and apples both, and he also have the chicken and apple both. Got it? This is known as barter system. Okay, look at the next one. Okay, look at the next one. Over here, there is a girl and a boy, and the boy has two mangoes, and the girl has two. Okay, he has yellow mangoes, and the girl have green mangoes, right? And they want to exchange it. So she is giving one of her green to the boy, and the boy is giving one of yellow one to the girl. Now they both have both green and yellow mangoes. Got it? This is known as barter system. Okay, look at this one. See over here, this there is this person who is giving four apples to the next person in order to get the handful of wheat, right? He may want wheat to make rotis for himself, right? Or it can be any other cereal. So he is giving four apples, and in return of that, he is giving a handful of wheat to him. Got it? This is another example of barter system. Look at the next one. Over here, one person is giving four apples in exchange of four bananas, right? Okay, so this one, let's say this girl does not like apples, so she is giving her four apples to this one because she loves bananas, right? And she don't have money to buy the bananas, so she will be giving her four apples and get the four bananas from the next person. Got it? Okay, look at the next one over here. Again, there are two person. The one is sharing one cereal for the next one, right? These are red beans, and this is also one of the beans, right? So they are sharing the hand one bee for the other one. Another example of barter system. And I told you that this is not restricted only to the food item. Let's say this person have four shirts and the other one, let's say one person have four shirts and the other one have four trousers, and they want to exchange. What they will be doing, the first one will give his two shirts and the other one will give two trousers. Now they have both shirts and trousers, right? So this is not restricted only to the food items or to the things. You can share other things as well, you can exchange other things as well, right? Let's say you have four pens and your sister have four bangles. What you can do, you can give two of your pens and get two of the bangles from her. Got it? Okay, great. Now I want all of you to open your book, page number 69. This is page number 69. This is what we are basically doing today. Let's see what is written over here. There was no money in the old days. People used to exchange items in daily use in order to get what they did not have, right? So people exchange things to get what they did not have. This woman is giving 20 chickens in exchange for one cow. She will give her 20 chickens and get what? A cow in result of that. Got it? How many chickens would she have to give to get two cows? If she want to have two cows, how many chickens will she give? When she gave 20, she had one cow. How many chickens? 40. Excellent. In order to get two cows, she will be giving 40 chickens. Count them. Are they 40? Yes, they are very well done. So this is known as barter system. Now, what I want you is that you will be practicing this at your home. Let's say you can exchange your books with your sibling, you can exchange your colors, you can exchange your storybooks, you can exchange your dolls, your cars, toys, anything, whatever you want to exchange it with your siblings, with your friends, and get something in return of that so that you can understand more about it. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.